Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to redeem your iTunes gift card in 2025. Whether it's a birthday present, a holiday gift, or just a treat for yourself, I'll guide you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and works on most Apple devices. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your iTunes gift card handy. Scratch off the back to reveal the 16-digit code. That's your golden ticket. Now, grab your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and open the App Store. If you're on a PC, you might need to use iTunes software, but we'll focus on Apple devices for now. Once the App Store is open, head to your account profile. It's usually in the top right corner. Tap that, and look for the Redeem Gift Card, or Redeem Code, option. This might vary slightly depending on your device and the latest iOS update in 2025, but it's straightforward. Next, enter the 16-digit code carefully. Double-check for any typos because that can cause issues. Hit Redeem, and wait a few seconds. You'll see a confirmation message, and boom! Your account balance should update with the gift card amount. If you run into any problems, like an error message, try restarting your device or checking if the code has already been used. Apple often updates their systems, so ensure your app or software is up to date. That's it. You're all set to download apps, music, or movies with your new credit. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.